a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Reality Latest Gist. The headlines. The legal team of the detained leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, led by Barrister Nnamdi, has filed an appeal at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. The appeal that was filed was in response to a ruling delivered on June 19, 2024. Okay, let's move on to the next news. The former governor Nnamdi has sued the Kaduna State House of Assembly over claim that his administration embezzled 432 billion and left the state with significant debt obligation. Hey, my people, it don't sense. Alright, my wonderful people, I welcome you once again to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As we give you a back-to-back update and information, as we dey hot. So if today is your first time to join this wonderful channel, I beg, may you like, subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, you go be the first to watch. My people no be small kata they happen for this country. But make una dey relax. I go dey bring una the matter as they come our way one after the other. To all amazing subscribers, I welcome you all to this wonderful channel. So guys, let's proceed. The legal team of the detained leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, led by Barrister Nnamdi, don't come file an appeal at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. So the appeal that was filed was in response to a ruling delivered on June 19, 2024, addresses concern outlined in paragraph 2 of the court's decision. So Nnamdi, while expressing deep dissatisfaction with the ruling issued by Justice Binta Morta of the Federal High Court, Abuja, posted the information on his X handle on Tuesday evening, saying that today they are heading to the Court of Appeal to challenge the 19th June 2024 ruling of Justice Binta because they are refusing her objection to her jurisdiction to subject Nnamdi Kanu to trial. So they are not joking about it. The appeal documents referenced as charge number FHC/ABJ/CR/383/2015 states as follows: that the appellant being dissatisfied with the ruling of the Federal High Court Abuja Division Binta J delivered on 19 June 2024, that more particularly set out in paragraph 2, doth hereby appeal to the Court of Appeal Abuja upon the grounds set out in paragraph 3 below, and will at the hearing of the appeal seek the relief set out in paragraph 4 of the notice of appeal. And they take further notice that the names and addresses of persons directed affected by this appeal are those set out in paragraph 5. So it was earlier reported that Nnamdi had clarified that it was the Federal High Court in Abuja that directed the Nigerian government and the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu, to pursue reconciliation. So the court gave the directive last Wednesday when Nnamdi Kanu case came up. Nnamdi is saying that he learned that some media reports that Nnamdi Kanu sought negotiation with the Nigerian government on the charges leveled against him were slanted. So according to Nnamdi, he said it was the court that invoked the power under Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act and issued the directive. So Nnamdi Kanu had filed an application before the court seeking to move from 49 and a second application which objected to the court's jurisdiction to try him. My people now go remember say Nnamdi Kanu has been facing trial on terrorism charges leveled against him by former President Muhammadu Buhari's administration over his call and agitation for a sovereign state of Biafra. So now the case has continued under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration. So now a lot of people have been seeking for Nnamdi Kanu release, appealing to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release him. But now we never know the outcome, if it's going to turn out good or bad. Because a lot of people don't beg President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he should appeal to the Attorney General to release Nnamdi Kanu. Well, it can't be like say they know they hear the appeal where the masses they appeal to Ram. President Muhammadu Buhari don't do his own. So he left for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to listen to the masses in order for him to make peace in the Southeast. Because the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu is causing more harm in the Southeast. For peace to reign, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should consider the request of the masses. that is when peace will come in the Southeast. This junction, I would like you all to relate your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Quickly, let's move on to the next one. The former governor Nasir El-Rufai has sued the Kaduna State House of Assembly over claim that his administration embezzled 432 billion and left the state with significant debt obligation. So the former governor on Wednesday filed a fundamental rights enforcement case against the Kaduna State House of Assembly at the Federal High Court in Kaduna. El-Rufai, who appeared in person to file the lawsuit, alleged that the committee denied him a fair hearing. My people will be so better. So according to what the former governor media aide Muyiwa Adekeye posted on his X handle on Wednesday, he said that the lawsuit that was filed by El-Rufai's lawyer Abdul Hakim Mustafa contested the Kaduna Assembly Committee's report, which accused El-Rufai of corruption. So El-Rufai's lawyer Mustafa San said that El-Rufai approached the court as a Nigerian citizen who is entitled to be given a fair hearing before his rights can be determined by an investigative body or court in line with the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended and the African Charter on Human and People Rights. So El-Rufai also asked the court to declare that by the provision of Section 36 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, that the report of the ad hoc committee on investigation of loans, financial transactions, contractual liabilities and other related matters of the government of Kaduna State from 29 May 2015 to 29 May 2023, as ratified by the Kaduna State House of Assembly, is unconstitutional, and he therefore declare it null and void because they violated his right to fair hearing and is not guaranteed under the Constitution. Earlier in June, the State Assembly Ad hoc Committee submitted their investigative reports on the El-Rufai administration financial dealings, loans and contracts to the House. So the chairman of the Ad hoc Committee, Henry Zakaria, said that the loans that were secured during Nasir El-Rufai's tenure were largely misused, and in some instances, proper procedures were not followed in obtaining them. So the Assembly Speaker Yusuf Liman alleged that Nasir El-Rufai administration misappropriated $423 billion, and that resulted in significant financial burden for the state. My people, they have forgotten whom they are dealing with. Nasir El-Rufai. My people, so many people, they attack Nasir El-Rufai, saying that how can he sue a government he served for them not to probe his action? Now if Nigerian politician goes to Nigeria court, just forget the case that Nigerian politician uses court as their defensive weapon. So now Nasir El-Rufai is fighting back. My people, this is going to be a long and intense legal battle. So let's wait and see what the Federal High Court has to say, even if this is a form of distraction and delay on his own investigation. But let's watch out and see. So guys, we are going to wrap up with this for today. So kindly let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Once again, thank you all so much for watching Reality Latest Gist. So for more information, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time, bye for now.